everyone, welcome back to another video of Math Kangaroo series. Today we are going to look at another question that came in Math Kangaroo examination 2020. And this question is of 3 marks, so let's review the question. So the question is, Marco's father took a picture of his son in front of the car as shown beside. Which of these drawings below could represent this picture? So very important thing. He took the picture of his son in front of the car shown beside. So here is the car. As we are looking at the car, the eyes of this car are black, right? So automatically option number D is wrong. And as the kid should be in front of the car, that means option number A, option number B, and option number C are wrong. So here we got our correct answer, that is option number A. It's the same car and the boy is in front of the car. So it follows and it has both the rules that were mentioned in the question. That means we got a correct answer, option number E. I hope you liked today's video. And if you have any questions, you can do let us know in the comment section below. We will solve it as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon. Happy learning.